हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एंड आई नो बहुत टाइम बाद मैं एक जगह बैठ के वीडियो बना रही हूँ बिकॉज लास्ट फ्यू वीडियोस में ऑल वाज लाइक व्लॉग्स एंड व्लॉग्स। बट या लोहड़ी इज़ हेयर गाइस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबनू लोहड़ी दियां लख लख वधाइयां। आई थॉट टू क्रिएट अ मेकअप लुक फॉर यू गाइस, और मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच भी रही थी कि मुझे एक ट्रेडिशनल लुक करना है। सो आई फाउंड द राइट टाइम टू डू इट, सो हियर आई एम। एंड ऑल्सो डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल दी एंड बिकॉज मैं बीच बीच में बहुत सारे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स बताऊंगी आपको मेकअप से रिलेटेड। तो या डू वॉच इट टिल दी एंड। नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, so before I start, I have the mic, okay? For all the guys who were all after me, कि mic तो use कर लेता, it's here, okay? Anyways, so for my face, I have moisturized my face by using the Cetaphil moisturizer. I've been using this since past 2 weeks and it's so good. And the best part is it is suitable for sensitive skin too. So all these girls out there with sensitive skin, this is your best friend. Then for my lips, I have used this Laneige lip mask. This smells so good. मुझे और लगाने का मन हो रहा है. And all those जिनको chapped lips की complaint है, you guys can use this. Also one more tip for chapped lips, you can use the lip scrub first to remove all your dead skins. Best one out there is Good Vibes Lemon Scrub. I'll also leave the link in the description, so if you want you can check it out. So after the lip mask, I thought I'll do the eye makeup today first because मुझे आज कुछ glitter करने का मन कर रहा है, तो I'll do the eye makeup first, then we'll move on to the foundation. But उससे पहले I'll prime my face. Primer के लिए I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer. I only have this primer right now. I've taken this much. Damn, I need the mirror. Today I'm shooting with the back camera, तो मेरे पास सामने कुछ नहीं है देखने के लिए, so I need the mirror. See, so much I do for you guys कि आपको clear makeup दिखे. So in return I can ask one thing, right? Of course, subscribe my channel guys, hit the like button. What are you waiting for? One tip here, जब भी आप primer लगाओ उसके बाद give your face little time, let it absorb, let it set properly, because primer is meant to minimize your pore. Give it little time, ज़्यादा नहीं, like give it at least 2 minutes to sit down, then start off with your foundation, concealer, whatever. In that case you will have a good canvas to work on. I always do that, it works for me, so I'm sharing it with you. I hope this mic is working, otherwise you guys will go again like माइक तो यूज़ कर लेता. सो मैं यहाँ पे LA Girl Pro कंसीलर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट कंसीलर. आई गेस आई एम अप क्लोज. आई एम यूजिंग द वेट स्पंज टू ब्लेंड इट ऑल. आई थिंक आई नीड वन मोर coat of concealer because I want the colors to pop properly. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild concealer. this is, ये उससे थोड़ा light concealer है जो मैंने पहले यूज़ किया था. Wet n Wild concealer is also very nice, especially if you are taking pictures and videos. It's good because it doesn't gives you flashback. So अभी मैं इसे set करूँगी with loose powder, and for that I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Actually I'm using all my favorite products in this video. So मैं लूज़ पाउडर इसलिए लगा रही हूँ बिकॉज जो कंसीलर मैंने लगाया था वो क्रीज ना हो, इसीलिए it's necessary to set it with powder. So now I'm good to go and use the colors on my lid. I have all my palettes here. मैंने कुछ ऐसे सोचा नहीं कि what look I will be doing, but I have something vague idea on my mind, so I guess I'll be doing something with that. Mostly what I do is मैं ये palette हमेशा use करती हूँ because I just love the brown tones here. बट दिस पैलेट, वेट एंड वाइल्ड पैलेट, इसे मैंने प्रॉपरली यूज़ नहीं किया, सो इसमें भी सिमिलर शेड्स हैं, सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि आई शुड यूज़ दिस वन टुडे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेकिंग a small blending brush like this, and I'm taking this shade right here which says transition. So this is very pigmented, तो थोड़ा सा ही लेना please. I'll place this on the outer V. I have hooded eyes, so मुझे एक artificial crease बनाना पड़ता है to do any kind of eye makeup. आपको ब्रश अपने आई बोन, यहाँ पे एक बोन है वहाँ पे रोल करने हैं. वो ब्रश को हमेशा ऐसे घुमाना है अंदर की तरफ. डोंट गो टू मच इनसाइड एंड ब्लेंड ब्लेंड ब्लेंड. कोई भी हार्श एजेस हो तो उसे आप ब्लेंड करके ठीक कर सकते हो. एनी काइंड ऑफ आई मेकअप, ब्लेंडिंग इज़ द की. आई नो everybody keeps saying that blending is the key, but blending is really the key. मुझे भी इतना आई मेकअप अच्छे से आता नहीं है. आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. आई मेकअप इज़ द वन थिंग जो मैंने अभी तक ढंग से सीखा नहीं है, एंड विच इज़ वाई आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. एंड आई नो it's a task really. This is also a kind of art actually. After that transition shade, I'm taking this burnt orange kind of a shade from here on the same brush and placing it right on the outer V. You can see मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा डेप्थ देने के लिए वो थोड़ा डार्क शेड यूज़ किया था. I'm actually trying to do it in easiest way possible ताकि आप भी इसे ट्राई कर सको. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज प्लीज़, अगर आप रिक्रिएट करते हो एनी ऑफ माई लुक, प्लीज़ टैग मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. आई लीव माई हैंडल राइट हेयर एनीवेयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. इफ़ यू रिक्रिएट एनी ऑफ द लुक्स, प्लीज़ डू टैग मी. Now I'm taking this beauty glazed color board. This palette, guys, oh my god, this is so pigmented. So I'm taking this orange shade here. I'm gonna pick it up on an angled brush. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I have never used bright colors. After that orange shade, I'm taking this yellow right here. You guys might be wondering what is she doing, but I'm just playing with colors today. Yellow color will go on the crease. I've taken a fluffy blending brush. I'll blend all the shades in. So I'm gonna pick that same burnt orange color and place a little bit more on my eyes. Next, what I'm doing is I'm taking flat brush. You have to wet the brush thoda sa, and I'm taking this shade right here from the Wet n Wild palette, this one. I'm placing this on the inner part of my lid. I'm blending. यहाँ पे दोनों shades को मैं थोड़ा blend कर रही हूँ, and because I have hooded eyes, तो मुझे ऊपर तक इसे लगाना ही पड़ेगा. Now I'm taking the same the transition and this burnt shade, mixing this two and applying it on the lower lash. As I mentioned, I'll be using glitter today. I'm using one from the color board, this one right here. ज़्यादातर ग्लिटर्स हाथ से ही लगा लेती हूँ, बट लेट मी ट्राई विद द ब्रश टुडे. ओके, डैम, दिस इज सो गुड. आई जस्ट लव दिस शेड, मैन. Guys, get this color palette, seriously. Let's move on to the face now. I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation and the only foundation which I have. मेरे पास इसके अलावा कोई foundation नहीं है and I don't know if I wanna get one. I definitely want to get the Milani Conceal and Correct one, but I'm not sure कि उसका कौन सा shade will suit me. I don't want to go to the store right now, so I'll get it somewhere later. I just like to dab it on my face. Don't forget your neck. One more tip here, guys. While moisturizing the face, also always moisturize your neck. Don't forget your neck. It's the most neglected part, but you should not forget that. Same goes for the foundation. Face पे लगाने के बाद pull it towards your neck too, please. For the concealer, I am using the Pure Beige concealer. It matches my skin tone, so I want to first cancel out all the darkness. One more tip here, while blending the concealer around your mouth, आपको अंदर से कुछ इस तरह से करना है, just with your tongue, like that. इससे आपका concealer crease नहीं होगा, because sometimes when we see, right, we keep smiling and concealer यहाँ पे crease होने लग जाता है and it looks kind of bad, so you can avoid this by doing that. Moving on, now I'll be setting my face with the same loose powder, the Maybelline Fit Me one. So after setting that face, now I'm taking the sugar palette. It's called the 01 Subtle Summit. I'll be picking up the contour shade. I have never done contour in any of my makeup videos yet. This is the first video wherein I'll be doing the contour. ऐसे मैंने किया है घर पे, but not in any makeup videos. इसमें you get the blush shade, highlighter and the contour. Place it over here. I guess you can see the difference. मैं ज़्यादा deep contour नहीं करती. I like to go light on it because I just started off with it. Before I used to think कि यार क्या contour करते हैं लोग, why people do it. It's not necessary, but थोड़े टाइम बाद मुझे भी difference दिखने लग गया and मैंने भी करना start कर दिया. Now let's move on to the best part of makeup, which is blush. I have one by the Faces and I have another in the sugar palette. So this one is more on the pinky side and this is on the peach. I personally prefer the pink blush more. I guess I'll go with Faces one today because I think ये मेरे outfit के साथ ज़्यादा match होगा. This is in the shade Cocktail Peach 04. I don't know if the camera can catch it or not, but the way it's looking in person, मुझे नहीं लगता it's looking that much in the camera. But yeah, it's looking very nice. After the blush, I'll move on to the highlighter, which is also my favorite. This is by the In Color Instant Glow Shimmer Brick in the shade Radiant. And don't just go by the looks of it, guys. इसका जो payoff है is so good, so damn good. I'll show you guys. Told you, such a beautiful and subtle glow. I'm telling you guys, इस वीडियो में I have used all of my favorite products today. I have done my brows off camera and now let's finish the eye look जिसे मैंने बीच में छोड़ दिया था. So I'm using this Lakme Absolute liner. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and applying it on the lashes. So yeah, we are done with the eyes. Let's move on to the lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm using Nykaa's Bullet lipsticks, and this is in the shade Dinah. If you have watched my previous videos, you all know how much I love this. And to top this up, I have two lip glosses. I'll be using the Lotus one. I have one complaint with this. I don't know why. मैं जितना भी इसे निकालने की कोशिश करती हूँ, निकलता ही नहीं है. And I keep struggling with this. I don't know why. So with this, we are done with our makeup look. And the last step is to fix it all. So for that, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray. Now I'll add a bindi. So the makeup look is done, and I'll just go ahead and accessorize a little bit and come back. So here I am with the complete and final look. So I just added a pair of earrings, Mantika, and of course no Lodi look is complete without a braid. Let me just show you the closer look. So yeah, मुझे कुछ थोड़ी सी कमी लग रही थी, which was of course nose ring. So now the look is complete. Let me know आप लोगों को कैसा लगा. I really enjoyed it while doing it. मैंने मेरी तरफ से बहुत कोशिश की कि इसे जितना हो सके सिंपल रखूँ, so that it's easy for you guys to understand and to recreate and try for yourself. तो अगर आप मेरे looks recreate कर रहे हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है सेम टू सेम होना, थोड़ा बहुत भी if you are trying and doing something, do tag me in Instagram. I would really love to see them, and it really will help me to motivate myself too. और मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा कहीं कि मैं आपको कुछ सिखा पाई हूँ. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and if you like my video, please like it and do subscribe my channel. Also share it with your family and friends, and do comment down below आपको next कैसा look देखना है. I would love to create it. So see you in the next video. Bye. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਚੰਨ ਤਕੜਾ ਬਣਾ ਦੇ, ਤਾਰੇ ਨੇ ਪਸੰਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੇਠਾਂ ਸਾਰ ਲਾ ਦੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੇਗੀ, ਮੇਰੀ ਯਾਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਉਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ, तेरे नाले नाले नहीं तू लाने वाली है, दिल तेरा जब टूटूगा तो पता लगूगा. ओ मम्मी. So